to do panning? Okay. So, shout out to mi gente. Estamos aquí haciendo tamales. Y mira esto. I'm opening my hojas, and what do I find? But somebody actually signed one of the hojas in the package. And her name is Marcelina. Hi, Marcelina. I don't think you'll ever see this video, but if you do, how cute that you were so proud of your work that you signed one of the hojas. Anyway, so the main point of this is to show one of the trickiest parts of assembling tamales. And that is, you know, doing the masa and the meat and rolling them. It's like we're rolling meat blunts here, people.
Hey,
yes, I said it because that is what my
fatties.
that is what my daughter Rachel calls it. Are we rolling the meat blunts today? Yes, we are doing that. So we have the hojas, which have been soaked in water, and then we pat them dry on these towels here. Some people hang them up like by clotheslines, and we've done that before, but that takes up a lot of space. So yes, towels full of wet hojas, just getting, you know, the extra moisture out. So what I do, some people take a spatula and spread them, but I find this to be way easier because you can manipulate the thickness of the masa and add to it when you need. So kind of like it's Play-Doh or something, you push it on until you get the size you want. And then I'm going to fill in some of the little corners and stuff. See how I'm doing there? A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. And so I'm going to end up with this triangle of masa. Notice I don't use the whole husk. All right? And the recipe for all this is coming later. All right? You can see it, right? All right. So I'm going to get a little OCD here, but I like my little rectangle to be kind of perfect. Check out Rachel. She does it just like that. She's very OCD with her masa too, because that's how our tamales come out. Perfect. All right. Now, this is mostly pork. It's 2 pork roasts and 1 chicken is what goes into the meat here. This will make about 200 tamales, and I have added to this a chile sauce, which I will also at some point add the recipe for that. But that's made with dried chiles that you saute in oil, and then you add a bunch of other stuff, and then you add chicken stock, and you let it sit, and then you puree it. But anyway, so see how much meat I'm adding. It's like I'm making a little cigar here, right?
Meat blunts.
Meat blunts. Here's the meat blunts, okay. And now I take this part and roll it over and push it down, okay? Then peel this off, pull the other side over and push it down, and hopefully it will let go. And then, ta-da! And don't you love how it gets all the little lines from the corn husks? So cute, right? Now we go ahead and roll it up, ta-da! Push in this top so the meat doesn't fall out while you're cooking it, although it probably won't because it's going to be standing up in the pan when you steam them. Then you take the bottom, roll it over, give it a little press, add it to the pile. This is Tracy. Who are you?
Rachel in the house.
Signing off on Tamale Night.